That is really messed up there. God, so all these gonna be about generally the same. I'll take them all down, Lamont. We'll and I'll go get out there and get that shop vac for you. So it's been a while. Well, them two there. So I think these go to another unit. But I think this one goes to the one we working on. This one might go to this lobby out here. These two here, it ain't going to the same unit. Because you got one unit, right here, and you got one unit down there, so get the kitchen the one we working on. Let's go see what that kitchen looks like. We ain't going to do no cleaning. Well, we need to. I'll get that out of there. I believe you're going to have to, there it is right there. You probably might go on the inside and see can you drop it. Go around and see can you drop it. Hey, how you doing, man?
I get $10.55.
Yeah. So I make something I can show him what we doing. Yeah. It's the money.
Can't be going up in the air high.
Well, he the man.
Ooh, that looks scary. Ain't no way.
You look scary.
Yeah,
Don't
I
tell.
don't want no big old long ladders. I'm scared of height. I don't even want no stairs in my house.
Right.
If me and my son
Put that in. Don't ask me.
They didn't look like mine.
Yeah, we don't need this kind right here no more. Good God Almighty. Look at that. Hey, what you think I'm doing? Hey, how you doing? I mean, Lamont. Now Lamont got to get the vacuum. That. Now you can get that with. Well, okay. Keep that screwdriver in your pocket, Lamont. All right, that's the last one, Lamont. So we're gonna get the square one. Now these square ones, I'm gonna try to find those. 20 by 20 by 1. All of them same, right? We want these kind here. We don't want them real. These are a little bit better. I'm going to get a little bit better filter than this. I'll go up to the barn before they close. So we need 4 of them. Okay, I'm going. Come on, let me give you the shop back. Well, all right. Appreciate it. Okay, let's get the shop back. Hey, how you doing? All right, Lamont.